you'll wish you'd known about. Looking beautiful is any lady's desire, but there seem to be issues you can't take care of yourself. To counter that, we gathered several secrets that will save you a lot of time and money. To look fresh and gorgeous all day long, pay attention to trick number 3. Number 15, for beautiful hair. If you have greasy hair, simple cooking salt or even better, sea salt is what you need. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons to your favorite shampoo, and the roots of your hair will stay clean for longer. Number 14, for thick eyebrows and lashes. Don't throw out your old mascara bottle. Wash it and use it to mix together some castor oil, vitamin E, and aloe vera juice. A mascara brush is perfect for applying the mix to your eyebrows and lashes. Do it every night for a month before going to bed. 13, for circles under the eyes. If you like coffee, don't dispose of spent coffee grounds. They can help keep your eyes fresh. Mix them in a 1-to-1 solution with coconut oil and apply to the skin under your eyes for 15 minutes. Apply this mask 3 to 4 times a week. Number 12, for a healthy body. You can make an anti-cellulite wrap even at home. Mix 2 tablespoons of ground ginger, 5 tablespoons of cosmetic clay, and 10 tablespoons of warm water together. Apply the mix to the problem areas, belly, sides, hips, arms, and wrap them with plastic wrap. Leave it all like this for an hour, then unwrap yourself and take a warm shower. Do this once a week. Number 11, for smooth legs. Sugaring is considered one of the best depilation methods. It's less painful, doesn't irritate the skin, and disposes of ingrown or bristle-like hairs. Mix 1/4 of a glass of lemon juice, 2 glasses of sugar, and 1/4 of a glass of water together. Heat the mix on a low heat until it's golden. Cool it down and apply it to your legs against the hair growth. Then sharply remove the paste. Number 10, for beautiful and strong nails. A 1-to-1 mix of coconut oil and honey with a few drops of lavender oil is perfect for strengthening the nails. To make it more convenient, pour it into a used nail polish bottle. Number 9, for blackheads on your face. If you're tired of having blackheads on your nose or chin, make a simple mask. Mix 1 teaspoon of warm water, 1 tablespoon of flour, and 1 teaspoon of honey together. Dip a cotton pad or a piece of cloth into this mix and apply it to the problem zone. Remove after 10 to 15 minutes. Number 8, for gorgeous armpits. You can lighten the skin of your armpits with the help of compresses made of raw ground potatoes. Leave them there for half an hour. Number 7, for sunburn. A baking soda solution will help to calm the skin down and get rid of the redness caused by sunburn. Apply the cool poultice to the painful area for 10 to 15 minutes. Number 6, for tender heels. To make your heels always soft, you should use foot soaks. Take 2 cups warm water, add a half a cup baking soda, and 1 cup vinegar. Soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes, then dry with a towel and apply some nutritious cream. Number 5, for a clear complexion. That famous black facial mask can also be made at home. Mix 2 tablespoons of ground up activated charcoal and 1.5 tablespoons of gelatin dissolved in warm water. Heat in a microwave until it turns into jelly. Apply to your face for 30 minutes, then remove the mask. Number 4, for the whitest teeth. Strawberries will help you gently whiten your teeth. Mix 1 teaspoon of grated berries with 1 teaspoon of baking soda and use this paste instead of toothpaste twice a month. Number 3, for a fresh face all day long. Do you want your face to look fresh even at the end of the day? Use a freshening facial spray. Prepare it by mixing aloe gel, bought at a drugstore or made yourself, with purified water in a 1-to-3 ratio. Pour the mix into a spray bottle and carry it with you wherever you go. Number 2, for a pleasant fragrance. To keep your hair fragrant for the whole day, spray your perfume onto your hairbrush and brush your hair with it a few times. Number 1, firming up your breasts. If you want to retain the shape of your breasts, rub Vaseline on them every night before going to bed. After 2 weeks, you'll notice that the skin has become more elastic and moisturized. Do you know other helpful beauty tricks? If so, share them in the comments.